What is 6 divided by 2? A, 3, B, 4, C, 5. A is the correct answer. 6 divided by 2 is 3. What is 8 divided by 2? A, 3, B, 4, C, 5. B is the correct answer. 8 divided by 2 is 4. What is 10 divided by 2? A, 3, B, 4, C, 5. C is the correct answer. 10 divided by 2 is 5.